and that would be my son.
Okay, good morning, YouTubers. Here today to play some Black Ops. You ready? I'm going to try and play all these maps rushing. So I'm just going to be rushing and see what happens. And that's not normally my gaming style, but let's see what's going to happen. As you can probably tell, I'm recording using my flipping camcorder. But yeah, I'm ready to rumble, man. I'm ready to do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's go. Let's rush, man. Oh, okay. Right, let's rush, man. Where is he? Alright, you know what? I'm going this way now. I had enough of being shot in the butt. Where are these people, man? Gosh! I don't normally like this map. Nah, come on, nah, you know what? Nah, man. I don't normally rage quit, but that was just ridiculous. Anyway, how's your day? How's your day? What are you guys up to for this Easter? Let me know. Run! Hey, let's go and kill some folks. That's how we do right here, man. Me and my son, we sing. Yeah, man. One, you like a dream come true. Me say two, girl, I need a poo. Three, go clean my shoe. Four, and make me a brew. Cause girl, you know say you're getting unruly. And me want you to make my breakfast. And when you make my breakfast, girl, aye. I'll show you what classes I use. I have the AN94, of course. It's a very good gun. I use my MSMC with a suppressor. I have a Type 25, that's one of my main guns. Then normally for my sniping I use XPR50 because that's a sexy gun. Secondaries is a B23R, that's another. Look that gun, man. Look it. Come on! Bring it, man! Bring it! Are you ready to rumble? Let's go. Using my Type 25 in this match. My golden Type 25. Now I know people say this is like a new gun or whatever, but you know what? I don't really care. No, here I don't care. Come on, come on! Alright, let's go again. And I use that, normally use frags, but the Semtex is very good sometimes. Ah, crap. Oh, and of course I have fast hands. Okay, wasn't fast enough that time. Threw it back to myself. Yeah, fast hands it's convenient. I like using a bit of fast hands. Don't know. Where you say? Where there? They say there. Dead. Oh, I take my kill, man. Ah! What if me kill them so? Dead. Woo! Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh no. Oh yeah. Hey, what that guy doing up there? Boom. Shoot me off the top. Boom. Oh no, man, come on! I saw you first. I saw him first. This is H mode now. You went into H mode. When I just switch. Oh crap. Oh, double kill. Got that double kill with that rocket launch. Oh, that sniper just took him out. Alright, we're going into Badman mode now. Badman mode. Make we do this. Okay, hold on. Now we're going into Badman mode now, yeah? Okay, do this. Badman mode. We'll blow him up like cold. I think we're playing Mario. Hey, come on, man. This is Badman mode. What are you doing, dog? Where are the doggy? Man, take bullet and shut up, man. Take bullet. Hey, come on, man. Just let me kill you. Sure. I'm in bad man mode. You're making me look bad. Gosh. Oh, yeah. Ah, sniper. Ah, come on. The guy's in front of you and you kill me first. What kind of... Sure. Sure. You're lucky my son here. I don't cuss too bad with you know. Lucky. Idiot. Alright, let's do it. Woo! I still took a body. It's one of my rules, you know. Even if it applies in real life, like if I'm in a fight and I'm outnumbered and I know I can't win, I know at least one person going down with me. You know what I mean? I'm not just dropping by myself. You're mad. You're mad now, blue dog. Alright, let's rush now. Now I'm rushing. Now I'm just gonna rush. Now I'm just gonna... Come on! I always do that. I always flash myself. I always flash myself! Oh, come on. Come on! Come on! Gosh! It's not fun, man. Why are you laughing at me? Oh, yeah, that's great. This match is a flop. Oh, this shotgun! Can't stand shotguns, man. Just go away! Oh, no. Shazzy John, whatever your name, man. You need to go and suck a foot. Why is my aim so terrible in this match? Why is my 3-11? That's disgraceful. I shouldn't even put this in the video. That is disgraceful. What kind of thing is this? Die, man. You know what? Yeah, man. Bad man mode engaged, you know. Bad man mode. I mean, people are got dead, but they are dropped like flies. Legend, why are you laughing at me, man? Alright. Be quiet because I'm concentrating. Ah! Ah! Where are you shooting me from? Why are you behind me? Why are you gay? Why? I mean, you're just standing behind me the whole time, every time. Ah, gosh. Ah, gosh. Get out my way, man. Get out my way. See what? I can't stand when people stand in front of you and block you on this game, man. I can't stand it. And they just don't move. They just stand there like they're flipping. Jump. Look how much bullets I put in the bridge. Look how much bullets I put in him. Oh my god. Ah.